Hi, I'm Alane Friend. I'm an international consultant on high sensitivity. I'm so glad you decided to check out our weekend retreat for highly sensitive people. This is a weekend for us to calm our very finely tuned nervous systems. Maybe you are one of those people who processes things deeply, thinks a whole lot, can become easily overwhelmed. You have strong emotional reactions and responses, especially with regard to empathy. And all that empathy makes you notice the subtleties all around you. Sometimes we can become so exhausted from all of this. But in this weekend, we will be practicing the highly sensitive person's five to thrive. We will have plenty of time to make use of all the wonderful nurturing and nourishing self-care activities offered at the Art of Living Retreat Center. We'll also form community because being in community with other highly sensitive people is key to thriving. It's so important that we not feel alone or isolated. We will also learn about the trait and dig into the science as much as you would like, and really have those talking points that you need when you go back home to tell the world about your sensitivity and how it's actually a strength, not just a vulnerability. We'll also work on healing from past trauma and reframing our childhood. And one of the ways I like to work on that is with self compassion and also working with gratitude and understanding where we come from and how we developed all the things that we developed to survive as sensitive people in the world. So come and make community with us, be friends, and just take amazing care of yourself. I'll be your guide and your facilitator. We'll be a small, intimate group, and we'll get to know each other very well. I can't wait to share this time with you. And listen, I promise, if it's not safe, we'll postpone the retreat. So if you're flying in, make your reservations with the ability to have a refund or to reuse your flight at a different time. But hopefully, you're also driving in because you're from the southeast part of the United States or even the eastern coast, and you can drive in and spend this amazing weekend with us. I want to let you know that as soon as you register, you become an automatic member of Are You Highly Sensitive Live, my twice a month webinar workshop community. And you will have your membership active until the end of this year. And we'll also have a 2-hour masterclass the month following the retreat so that we can cement our learning and maintain and nourish our connections that we make during the weekend. So I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for checking it out. And I can't wait. See you in North Carolina in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains.